Good morning, students. Today, first of all, I'm starting with the assignment question of yesterday because there was something really very good point to discuss today. As you can see in the question that there are only 3 points, but there is good thing to discuss today. So the first point is sold goods to Kailash of the list price of rupees 1 lakh at trade discount of 15%. Now what is happening here is the goods are worth rupees 1 lakh. The goods are worth rupees 1 lakh. Now these goods of 1 lakh are sold at a discount of 15%. That comes to 15,000, and this is our trade discount. So students, we have discussed in earlier lectures also that trade discount is calculated and subtracted from the list price, but trade discount is not shown in the books of accounts. So what we technically have here is that 1 lakh, which is list price, minus 15,000, which is trade discount. Will show trade discount with the word TD. So the remaining amount is 85,000. So technically what is happening here is that we are selling goods only worth rupees 85,000. So let's move towards the journal entry. As you can see here that we have passed journal entry since we have sold goods to Kailash. So Kailash is the receiver of goods and hence Kailash got debited. Kailash got debited with 85,000 because he is the receiver of the goods. At the same point, goods are going, that means we are selling our goods. Sales, since going out, has to be credited. So we have credited sales account with 85,000. So Kailash debit to sales account. Narration: goods of the list price of 1 lakh sold at a 15% trade discount. This should be shown so that we can get to know that the list price of goods are 1 lakh, but we have sold them at a discount of 15%. So technically we are selling them for 85,000. So discount here we have not shown in the account, but we have shown it in the form of narration because we should know the reality of how the transaction have taken place. Moving towards the next point. The next point is Kailash returned goods of the list price 4,000. Here this list price 4,000 plays very important role. So let's move towards the calculation of this. What is happening here is that Kailash have returned goods of the list price of 4,000. So students think of it technically that when goods of 1 lakh, which was having list price of 1 lakh, are sold at a 15% trade discount. So while returning, if the goods which are returned having list price of 4,000, so we have to think that it is the list price. So what should have been the price after deducting trade discount? So we'll calculate here also that since 4,000 is list price, so 4,000 ka 15%, because trade discount will be subtracted here also. Let's discuss it in the form of example. If you go to a shop and you buy 3 shirts which were having MRP of 2,000 each. So technically what is happening that you are buying 3 shirts of 2,000, that means for 6,000. Now shopkeeper is giving you 15% ka trade discount. So if shopkeeper is giving you 15% ka trade discount, which means 6,000 into 15%, that means 900 discount. So if the shopkeeper have given you discount of 900, that means he sold you 6,000 ka shirt for 900 ka discount provided. That means 6,000 shirt after providing 900 discount is sold to you for rupees 5,100. So this is our sales price. Now what is happening? You found that one shirt of the three was defective and you going to return that to the shopkeeper. So you say to the shopkeeper that one shirt which was having MRP of 2000, I found it defective, so I am returning it to you. So just think of it. What will shopkeeper tell you? That 2000 ka shirt was having MRP, but I have provided you discount. So here also discount should imply. So what will shopkeeper ask you is that since I have given discount you of 15%, that means 2000 ka shirt after bearing 15% trade discount comes to 15 2s are 30. That means I have given you 300 discount on this 2000. That means technically I have sold you shirt for rupees 1700. So I'll be taking it return back only for 1700. So basically you cannot say that now you're returning the shirt of 2000, although you are returning the shirt which is having MRP of 2000. But since you have taken it on discount, so the shopkeeper will also take it back on that reduced price only. He'll not pay you more than that. So here also let's move to our topic that since the goods of 4000 list price are returned. So here also we'll calculate that since 4000 is list price, so what should be the 15%? So it should be 15 fours are 600. That means 4000 MRP minus 600 trade discount. So technically the remaining amount is 3400. So this is the amount of your sales return instead of that 4000. So here you can see your journal entry, which is since sales when goes have a credit balance, if coming back will have a debit balance. So sales return account debit 3400. We have discussed the amount. Who is returning goods? Kailash. So Kailash being person is the giver of the goods and hence to Kailash account. I always have told you people that not to put account in front of person name. If you want to put account, put apostrophe s and then put account, that Kailash's account, or else just leave to Kailash. The narration being goods of the list price of 4000 returned by Kailash. Actual price being 4000 less 15% trade discount. It is not required by you people to mention it. Even if you just mention 4000 list price, that is also okay. Now since we have to move towards the next page, what we have to do is we'll do the debit total and credit total. So 85 plus 3 comes to 88,400. Both the sides we have shown 88,400. C oblique F stands for carried forward, right? Now moving towards the next point. This is the last point. The last point is received from Kailash the amount due from him under a discount of 5%. But here which discount is there? Here the discount is cash discount, and cash discount is not only calculated but it is also presented in the account. So now let's check it. Now here what is happening, that we have received cash from Kailash in full settlement after allowing 5% discount. So just imagine, although goods were costing rupees 1 lakh, but we have sold them only for 85,000. So 85,000 was selling price. Since Kailash have returned some goods to us, what was the amount? It was 3400. So return should be subtracted from the sale. So the amount remaining is 85 minus 3 comes to 81,600. So the amount should be technically 81,600. But this 81,600 is received after allowing discount. So let's check it out. 81,600 into 5 upon 100, because discount percentage is 5. That comes to 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 1s are 5, plus 3 8, and 5 8s are 40. So technically the amount of discount coming here is 4080. That is 81,600 is the amount which should be received. But since we are providing 4080 ka discount, we'll have to subtract this amount, and the actual amount will remain is 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 5 minus 0, 5, 11 minus 4, 7, and 7. So here the amount coming is 77,520. So let's check the journal entry. Since cash coming into the business, cash got debited. That is cash account debit. We already have calculated the amount 77,520. We have allowed discount. Discount when allowed is an expenditure or it's a loss. Since it's a loss, it has to be debited. So discount account got debited with 4080. 2. Kailash. Why Kailash? Because Kailash is the giver and hence his account need to be credited, because any person who is a giver, his account need to be credited. So here we have completed our journal entry. If you can see here, we have started with B oblique F, that is balance brought forward. Since we have already taken the balance of the previous page, which was carried down over there, which was carried forward, here it is brought forward. We already have taken that balance as a starting balance. So we'll add all the amount in this only. So 88,400 plus 77,520 plus 4080. The amount comes to 1,70,000. And this is the end of our question. Tomorrow we are going to start with GST portion again, in which I am leaving you with people with a question that please do study the GST applicability date, and we'll move towards the accounting of the GST tomorrow onwards. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Keep washing your hands.